Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Hers. I told you something yesterday.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What happened? What happened to that? You forgot.
After, sir, sir, in evening I have gone to the terrace and my hand was cut, so I go to the doctor's.
Okay. So today 8 p.m.
You can see it also.
Okay. So today 8 p.m. you can tell. Okay. Now today is our exam part 2. Part 1 we have done on which date? Today is 19th. On 17th we have done part 1 and today is part 2 and part 2 is practical. Means you have to have laptop or desktop with you. You have to share your screen. So who all are having desktop or laptop with them?
Yes, sir, I have.
You have.
Sir, I have.
Why cameras are off? So you need to share your screen one by one. I will give 10 minutes to Abhinav, 10 minutes to Adarp, and 10 minutes to Harsh. You will share your screen. You will open your Excel sheet. I will give you 5 commands, 5 actions to do, which you have to perform, and I will check how much you have practiced. Okay, and we will start with Abhinav only. So Abhinav, share your screen and open a blank
Allow this.
Excel
Allow
sheet.
this.
Okay, sorry.
Allow this.
1 minute. Yes, now you can share. Okay. So what Abhinav will do, the first thing, choose the cell B2. Yes, very good. On B2, you type 5, you can B2, B3, like this. Type 5 names. Any name. B2, B3, B4, B5, and B6. Type 5 names. What happened, Abhinav? Where are you?
I am disconnected.
No problem. Share again.
Yes, sir. Can you see it?
No. I can. Now you are
No.
visible. No.
Yes, sir. Any 5 names?
Your screen is not visible. Share again.
Okay. Yes, sir. Now?
No. Stop sharing and then share again. Maybe it will come back.
Yes, sir. Now you can see the screen.
No.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah.
So there is a network problem. So sir, I have to join again.
Okay, do that.
Yes, sir. Let me join in my desktop.
Okay.
I think.
Okay, Harsh, do one thing. You share your screen. I'll start with you. Acha, Abhinav, wait. Now, first I will finish Harsh, then I'll come to you. So, Harsh, open one Excel sheet. Acha, you have WPS Office. Okay. The spreadsheets. So, one name for Excel is also a spreadsheet. Very good. Document is for Word, a spreadsheet for Excel, and presentation for PowerPoint. Open one blank spreadsheet.
Sir, it works too slow.
That is a mm. If it is working too slow, you have to go to some computer showroom or computer shop, and you have to do some changes. Okay. My God. This one is now it has come. Okay, okay. Fine. So same thing. Take B2, take B2 cell, and B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Write 5 names. Any 5 names of your choice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. Okay, fine. Now in the column C2 to C6, C2 to C6, write their number, means they have appeared in an exam, and Harsh has got no, not 1 1. Number in the exam means Harsh has got, for example, 72. Adarp has got 68. Abhinav has 68. Abhinav has got 58. Abhijit has got 85. And Divya has got 57. Right? Now come to the cell C7. C7. Now you have to total these 5 numbers using formula. Use formula and do the totaling. What you are doing, Harsh? Go up. Do the total of these numbers using formula. Have you practiced how to write formula?
Sir, I was not in the class of
Okay.
Excel, I think.
I was not
I
in the
think.
class. I have also not gone through the PDF. I am okay. So, okay. Now do one thing. Abhijit, name Abhijit. Make it italics. Abhijit, italics. Okay. Harsh, make it bold. Okay. All the numbers 72 to 57. Highlight that with yellow color. Highlight all those cells. Highlight. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So no need for going. You can select all of them and you can click at once. Ah, very good. Very good. Now put them in border. Put all of them in border. All of them means name also and numbers also. Okay. Now check the options in border. Just click the drop down. Border. Not this one. The left one. Yes. Now you have one option of. No, you don't have that option. The third one, thick box border. Thick box, third one. Below that. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, can you replace Harsh with Hari using that command? Okay. Okay, that's it. Now you can close and Abhinav can share.
Yes, sir.
Daya,
Can you see my screen? Hello.
yes.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, sir.
Now same thing, B2. One
Sir,
minute.
wait, sir. Wait, sir. Let me connect to my mouse. Just a sec.
Yes, I am back. Now same thing, you also type 5 names. Abhinav,
Any name?
any name, any 5 names.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, give them numbers out
What,
of
sir?
100. Out of 100, any 5 numbers. Maybe Abhinav, you can give 50, 82. Abhinav.
Where?
C2, C2.
Yes, sir. C2, 100.
82.
Okay.
82 means number out of 100.
Yes,
Ricky, you can give 78.
Yes, sir.
Miku, you can give 69. Lucky, 57.
Okay.
And Chiku, 48.
Okay. Yes, sir.
In C7, can you do the sum by using formula?
Formula.
Harsh, you can see how he is doing it.
That.
So you have done the practice, but not completely. You are getting confused.
Sir, let me. Like this.
No.
No.
You should not do the totaling. Okay. Now I will tell you, okay, first you finish.
Yes, sir.
So this is a bit, this is a, means you have done it, but it is a long process. But not to worry, I will tell you the short process afterwards. Now do one thing, all these numbers from 82 to 334,
Yes, sir.
align them left. Align them left, all of them.
Okay.
Align them left.
Okay. Oh. What happened? Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Control
Please
Z.
tell.
Control Z.
What, sir?
Control Z.
Yes, sir.
Control Z again. Again Control Z.
Oh.
Control Z. Keep on pressing. Control Z. Control Z.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
So Control Z is basically undo. No, you are doing something different. I told you to do left alignment. See. Now I will tell you. See, wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is center alignment. Okay. See,
Yes, sir. No.
go to the menu bar.
Sir.
There is clipboard. First one is clipboard. You can see clipboard first.
Yes, sir.
Then font. Then font.
Phone.
Next one font.
Yes, sir.
Next one is alignment.
Yes,
In
sir.
alignment, you have 3 things. Left.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is left alignment. Then in the middle you have center, and then you have right. Now make a box.
Where?
All these names and numbers, put in the box. Names and numbers. Only names and numbers. Put in box. Not merge and center. Why you are going for merge and center again?
Yes, sir. Like
No. This is
to
wrong.
merge cells. To merge
Arey
cells.
Baba, I'm telling you for putting a box. Box is there in the font section. Have you not seen? Harsh has done that. In font section. Font section. Next to the
Yes, sir.
underline. Yes, that is box. Yes. All borders. Yes. Now, if you see that, Abhinav, in all borders, you have A underlined. Just check. All borders.
Yes, sir.
Check all borders. Open it.
Yes, sir.
Now see, A is underlined.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, after selecting all these, if you press Control A, then also you will get the border.
Yes, sir.
I think I told all of you that see the underline letter. By pressing that also, you can create the border. Try that. Do Control Z.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
click on that drop down of border. Select. Now click on that drop down of border. Select first all of them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Click on that drop down of border. Border. That font border. Drop down. Yes. Click on that and then Control A. Keyboard. Control A. Keyboard. Use keyboard.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir. I use keyboard.
So see, check. Border has come.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So by just doing the drop down,
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Without opening it, we cannot do this.
Try it out. Control Z.
Sorry.
Now try. You all are using mouse. You should start using
Yes, sir.
keyboard.
Yes, sir. So what's happening? When I
What's happening is you only will know what's happening. Yes. Now try.
this
So
happens.
it means Control A means it is select all. Without doing the drop down, it will not work. Now you can do like see. The first one is bottom border. So Control O.
Control O. I am pressing.
Now see, remove that. Check if bottom border is there. No. It has come na. Below 334. Okay, leave it.
Sir?
ठीक है. I don't know how you are doing. Okay. Now do one thing. All these numbers, copy and paste at P2.
Where, sir? B?
All these numbers you
Yes,
have
sir.
to copy and paste
Yes, sir.
at
Copy.
P2.
P2.
Yes. Don't use mouse. Please stop using mouse. For copy, you have Control C. I told you that please. What is happening?
Sir, yes,
Abhinav?
sir.
Some puja
Yes,
is
sir,
going on.
No, sir. In a nearby house. Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Okay.
Whatever.
So all
Whatever.
copy is Control C.
So ये अंडरलाइन क्या हो गया सर? 82 सब नंबर सब बॉक्स में
अंडरलाइन हो गया.
ये सर देखिए कैसे कैसे घूम रहे हैं सब गोल 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 गोल.
ठीक है ना वो कंट्रोल. आपने क्या दबाया था आपने?
सर कॉपी दबाया था माउस
Okay,
से।
now go to P2. Now go to P2. P2. P2 पे click करो. Yes,
Yes, sir.
and control V. V for victory. देखा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go
सर अभी
back
भी
to.
गोल गोल घूम रहा है।
हाँ ठीक है ना. Again उसको करो, select करो. Select all of them.
82
हाँ. P
Yes.
C2 to C7. C2 to C7. Select.
How?
अरे put on C2.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now drag down. Select all. अरे बाबा ऐसे नहीं होगा यार. Select all of them. Means
Sir, how I can select all of them with
shift करके करो. Shift करके नीचे दबाओ. Press shift. हाँ, yes. हाँ, yes, that's it. Now control X. Now press control X.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then go to Q2. 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 And control V.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Control V. Yes,
What
sir.
happened? See? Now what happened? Go back and see. Now numbers are not there. So control C is copy, control V is paste. First you have done copy and paste. And then you did control X, means cut, and then paste. So cut means from C2 numbers have gone. Okay. Okay. Now you stop, Abhinav. Give it to Adarp. Now you stop and then Adarp will share. Now you can mute yourself, Abhinav. Lot of sound.
दरभंगा में सर यही नियम है, जब कब पूजा कर देता है सर।
They all are having lots of time. Okay. So Adarp is ready.
Sir,
Screen is too much blur.
Screen is blurred. Maybe because of net issue.
Maybe.
Okay, same thing, Adarp. You have to type 5 names and 5 numbers. C2, go to C2 or B2 and C2. B2 name and C2 numbers. 5. Adarp is having some net problem. That because of that, the screen is blurred. Okay, so 5 names done. Now go for next to that is 5 numbers. Anything 81, 78, any random numbers. 5 random numbers. Okay. Okay. Now it's a bit clear. Okay. Now same thing, C7, try to do the total using formula. अच्छा, हमको लगा कि घर के अंदर में बनाएगा मसाला. अच्छा, तो फिर ठीक है, फिर ठीक है. ओके. ओके.
It's 18:30.
Now see how he is doing. He is doing sum and then C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5, C6. Okay. This is again one more method that you can plus all the cells. Okay, very good. Now put 2 decimal places in all numbers. 2 decimal places in all numbers. 0.00. You have to add 0.00. There is a number.
Sir, I have just forgotten it.
So go to number. First one is clipboard, then font, then alignment. After alignment is number. Just check. Check the alignment, and next alignment is number. In number you have. Just check. There are two things. So one is to increase decimal. See, now one has come. One more. Two clicks. Left side. Yes, one click. Yes, one, but that's it. That's only 2 clicks. 2 clicks means you will get 2 places. Now you got it, Adarp? This is the thing. Now I will give you one more option. One more this thing task. All these names and numbers, you have to change the font. Right now the font is Calibri. Change it to Cambria. 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 Okay, and increase the font size to 16. Increase the font size to 16. Very good. So this also, you know, put the border. Put the border. Put the border.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Now you have a button called wrap text. See, in alignment, but in alignment section, in alignment, you have a button wrap text. Okay. What is the purpose of that? Any idea? Anyone can tell me what is the use of wrap text? Okay. What you are doing? So what happened in wrap text? Click on. It's very tough to teach online computer. Computer means you have to be together. Then it's easy. Okay. The next one is merge and center. So choose Ram and Lucky. Choose only Ram and Lucky. That's it. Now press merge and center. Okay. Okay. So now you see when you will place when you choose 2 cells and you will press merge and center, both cells will merge. दोनों सेल क्या हो गया आपस में? B2 and B3 merge हो गया. Correct. But only problem is that कि ये center में क्यों नहीं आया? It should come on the center. Do the click the drop down. उसके बगल में drop down है. Merge and center के बगल में drop down है. उस पर क्लिक करो. Drop down पे. हाँ. क्या क्या ऑप्शन है? Merge and center. Then next one.
Merge and so yes, sir. Merge and center, merge across, merge cells, and merge cells.
Okay. Unmerge पे डालो. Unmerge पे. Unmerge. Last one. Unmerge. Last one. It has come back. It has the cell have unmerged, but आपका वो जो नाम था वो चला गया. Okay. Now do same thing. Control C, Control V करके देखिए आप. Copy and paste. Check how good you are in that. Select all of them. Select all of them.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
And try. This is Control C and Control V. Now try Control.
Sir, all numbers are converted into hashtags.
I think because of less space. Click on J. J का जो कॉर्नर है वहां पे क्लिक करो. ऊपर चले जाओ सबसे ऊपर में. J का जो कॉर्नर J HIJ. हाँ, yes. J का जहां पर खत्म हो. हाँ, देखो छोड़ो. हाँ, आ गया. Because the space was less, इसलिए वो हैशटैग आ गया था. Okay. Now go for Control X and Control V. अदर वापस सबको चूज करो. Select all of them. Control X and then go for Control V. No need to do that. Just click कर दो. Yeah, yes. So that was copy and paste first, and now it is cut and paste. Fine. Now I think I have told everyone to make the expense chart, and I think Abhinav has done that. Abhinav, can you share that file? Expense chart.
Sir, may I stop my share?
Yes, you can stop now. Abhinav has prepared the expense sheet. We will see that. And I will request all of you to make that and start recording all expenses in that. That is going to make you expert in Excel. आपको जाना पड़ेगा ओपन में.
What, sir?
Go to the thing. सबसे ऊपर जाओ. वहां पे एक है न्यू और एक है ओपन. Go in open. Open. हाँ. अब आपने कहाँ सेव किया इसको, फाइल को?
I think it's deleted.
Oh. You sent me. I told you that. I will check that one day.
Sir, I think it's in WhatsApp. Maybe.
तो WhatsApp से फायदा नहीं ना, फिर से आपको you have to type again. WhatsApp पे तो है, but because not in computer, you can't do anything. Okay, leave it. All of you, Harsh, Adar,
Yes, sir.
and Abhinav.
Sir,
हाँ.
Sir, I don't do in laptop. I do in desktop.
Okay. So you can do one thing with the help of pen drive. You can transfer that in your laptop, and when we are
Can I
going
share?
to
So
meet
can
on
I-
Tuesday,
Yes,
I
sir.
will check expense sheet of all of you. Harsh, Adarp, and Abhinav. I will check the expense sheet on Tuesday. आप क्या
Okay, sir.
करेंगे? आज है सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, 4 दिन का एक्सपेंस शीट बनाएंगे आप. आई टोल्ड यू सीरियल नंबर, पार्टिकुलर्स, पैसा आया तो क्रेडिट, पैसा गया तो डेबिट, and then balance, and then remarks. I will do one thing. I will make a sample for you, and I will send you on WhatsApp.
But
As per that, you can make it, and then you can create one. We will discuss that expense sheet on Tuesday. Fine? Keep
Yes.
practicing. Every day, spend some 15-20 minutes, half an hour on computer, and do some, you can say, hits and trials. Correct? Open the
Okay,
PDF
sir.
and do different activities. Okay, fine then.
sir, see, I have sent you.
We'll meet on Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.